The Science of Wine, the Art and Chemistry of Viticulture. Wine is a drink enjoyed by millions around the world. But have you ever wondered about the science behind it? Welcome to the world of viticulture, the study and cultivation of grapevines. It's a fascinating blend of art, agriculture, and chemistry. Today, we will take you through the science behind grapes, how grapes turn into wine. It all begins with the grapevine. Grapes are the foundation of wine, and their journey starts in the vineyard. But it's not just about planting a vine and waiting for the grapes to grow. Viticulture requires precision and care to ensure the grapes develop the perfect balance of sugars, acids, and flavors. Viticulturists are responsible for managing the vines throughout the growing season. They control things like vine spacing, canopy management, and even the choice of rootstock. The soil, climate, and grapes variety all play huge roles in the final product. Climate is critical. Grapes thrive in narrow temperature regions, typically between 50 and 90 degrees Celsius. That's why many of the best wine growing regions are found at similar latitudes around the world, like California, France, and Argentina. Once the grapes have ripened, they're harvested, often by hand, as timing is everything. Grapes need to be picked at just the right moment when the sugar content is optimal. The sugar in the grapes will eventually convert into alcohol during fermentation, but it's the balance of sugar, acidity, and tannins that will determine the wine's final profile. After harvest, the grapes are taken to the winery where the magic of fermentation begins. In the crush pad, the grapes are crushed and their juice extracted. For red wine, the skins remain with the juice during fermentation, which is what gives red wine its color and taints. Fermentation is a biochemical process where yeast consumes the sugars in the grape juice and produces alcohol, carbon dioxide, and heat. The temperature during fermentation can affect the flavors and aromas of the wine, so winemakers carefully monitor the process. Once fermentation is complete, the wine is often aged in barrels where it continues to evolve. Oak barrels add additional flavors like vanilla or spice, and the wine undergoes a process called malolactic fermentation, which softens its acidity. Throughout this entire process, winemakers rely on their senses and experience to craft a wine that's both balanced and complex. But it's not just about science, it's about intuition and artistry. From vine to glass, the journey of wine is a perfect combination of biology, chemistry, and a bit of magic. So next time you sip your favorite wine, remember the science that goes into making it. Cheers to the art and science of viticulture. Thanks for watching.